Hey everyone. Was inside for a week, I guess. It's kind of a major decision to not go back home. Been here for about 3 months. This will be my 4th month because the country is letting me stay. The invitation to dig deep within ourselves to find where we can drive some hope. We can overcome everything. We really need to be coming from a perspective of personal freedom. You can't ever go wrong. Connecting with your heart, connecting with your soul. You can't ever go wrong knowing who you are. To feel empowered doesn't always mean feeling happy. But nevertheless, feeling empowered is a personal and individual freedom that we can activate within us. And you have really strong emotions. Just don't try to fight against that current. And you can use that current to actually put you in a place where you feel a lot more solid and stable. We take the cue from our body because I have this negative emotion, it must mean that it's true, what's causing this negative emotion. Let's say you're fearing getting sick. And because it feels bad in the body, we say, oh yeah, that's totally going to come true. It feels like it's totally going to come true. And then your body's reaction to that thought makes it like a self-confirming bias, like you just take the cue from your emotions. So it seems super counterintuitive to say, feel what you actually feel, because that's saying believe what those feelings are coming from, but it's not actually how it works. In my experience and with people I've been working with, oh my God, I'm like, when we land inside what we're actually feeling, and today I just cry, and just how helpless I feel about it. Damn it, I'm in pain and I'm frustrated, and just let your emotions be what they are. Don't try to hold back that floodgate.
I used to think if I couldn't find hope,
Bye.
I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all go. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Concentrate, focus on love. Center love.